Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promise. Today actually we have for you sunglasses MAYBACH, it's Observer 2. Because there is two kinds of these sunglasses, they are almost same everything. There is Observer 1 and Observer 2. Observer 2 costs from $2,000 and go up. Observer 1 costs from $1,000 and go down. You can find it even $500. But before we go any further, what are you waiting for? Subscribe right now so you can get every new video from me. I mean guys, you gotta subscribe or I will pull this over. I see that you still not subscribe. No man, come on. Subscribe man, it's a MAYBACH. So guys, as you see, let's unbox this bad boy and see what we have here. Ooh, we have a tissue paper MAYBACH cleaner, you know. Wow. Material is really soft, you know, and nice. Okay. This MAYBACH card, I don't know for what I need it, maybe for next discount or stuff like that. Anyway, let me show you guys. This sunglasses is made from wood and gold is made in Germany. The frame made from wood, you know, and they say that massive gold in 18 karat, 750. See guys, they right here in the value the erases from the luxury. Oh, this is make you feel that you wear something cool. See, they say made using most priciest tools in the world. Definition of the handmade, you know. Really, it looks so solitary. Several ultra-fine layers of bonded into, which is shortly they say that's made from wood and carbon fibers. That's let it be lightweight. See, and it's lettered, handmade. I mean, handcrafting, as you see here, MAYBACH. Wow. Here, lens. This is the most important point for me here. As not as much as lens, as much as not as much as the frame as the lens. They say top quality Zeiss lens. This is, remember guys, Nokia. She was have KHALIL Zeiss the lens in Nokia before, protecting your eyes and signs with the optical perfection. This is the most important thing for me here, the lens. And they say that this is 15 karat gold frame. Let's see the baby. Beautiful box. MM. Baby. See guys, it's wow, it looks so solitary. And here it's have MAYBACH. Here the frame gold. And here you have the MAYBACH. Okay. Really the lens looks amazing. This is German made. So if you found it any other made, I don't know. They say it's only German. MAYBACH. This is can rule. Cool. Here, as you see guys, the wood here creation, wow, is amazing. And gold and MM. It looks really luxury sunglasses. Amazing. And this white one here. Let's wear it and see how it looks like while we wear it. By the way, this is men glasses. You can, female can wear it. By the way, it's not, it will walk. Let's go! So guys, as you see, it looks really cool, and what I like in it, that the lens is not so small like Mafia, it's not so big like Fly wearing glasses, you know, stupidness. The size for lens is so nice. This is exactly what I'm looking for. I guess this is one of the best sunglasses that the shape work with my face. I tried before Gucci, was not bad, the old one. I tried Chanel, I didn't like it. I'm not telling you that this is the best glasses in the world, but it's really cool and it's really nice and it's deserve her money. And looks luxury and solitary, to be honest with you. I don't know in the future how it will be, but at the moment now I just unboxed it as you see guys, but it's amazing sunglasses. I remember guys in my previous video I was talking about the sunglasses that cost 21,000 euro. I found it in Italy. They say that the lens of these glasses that cost 21,000 euro, it's took from the desert in Morocco, one of the most purest desert in the world. They took the glasses from there and they create from it this sunglasses. That's why she cost 21,000 euro or 23,000 euro. I remember something like this. I mean, this sunglasses need. These sunglasses need rich people, super rich people. I'll be honest with you, I can buy it, but I'm gonna spend all my money in these glasses. You know why? It's not. Especially that here in Ukraine, it's annoyable weather as hell. One day raining, one day cloudy, one day windy, one day you don't understand what when you out from home here. What should you take with you? Jacket, or is still half is still sunny now? What should you wear a cape, or should you take with you umbrella? Should you take sunglasses? What should you do? This is unstable weather. It's not work with me, to be honest with you. You know, guys, I like weather. In the best weather in Europe is Italy and Spain. To be honest with you, it's warm. In the winter is not strong, and in summer, yeah, strong kind. But it's summer is summer. So not one day raining in summer. Here in summer, one day cold, one day raining, one day windy, one day sunny as hell, hot as hell. One day you don't understand when you know 4 seasons in one day. You're out in the morning, it's sunny and hot as hell. After a little bit time, cloudy, okay, windy, then raining. You wear umbrella, you wear your sunglasses, you wear umbrella. It's kind of stupid weather here. This weather is unstable weather is annoying me. You know, guys, when I went to Canada, I couldn't handle staying there. Cold, 11 months cold, 1 month hot. Canada is really annoying weather there. I was in Vancouver. You can't count. There is summer there. That's why a lot of Canadian people always escape to Sharm el-Sheikh in Egypt and in Turkey, because they want to see sun. They want to see sun one time in their life. Anyway, it's not my topic now. The sunglasses is amazing. If you tell me how much you can rate it, I can rate it 8.5 from 10. Because there is some things here I don't like it that much. You know, for example, this MM here, guys, this MM, you could create it more accuracy than this. Here it's kind of like cheap Chinese, not so much Chinese cheap. There is no professionality touch. You got me? It looks cheap MM. Number 2, the frame. It's here. The spikes here. The frame. It should be more stronger than this. I feel that after time it's gonna be plain. You got me? But that's why. But generally, it's amazing sunglasses. It's deserved the money, to be honest with you. I bought it $1,800. This cost me. There is more prices up, there is more prices down, but this is what I found. Anyway, guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up, and see you in another video. I have a lot of products. I'm gonna unbox them. I'm gonna tell you my true opinion about them, because on my channel I don't like to lie ever. I will see you in another video. Hatem Objection. Peace and love and money for every one of you, and especially money. I know, guys, you all love this green piece of shit paper. It costs nothing, but it's important in our life. We all need it. What we can do. Ciao.